న్యూస్ అరైవల్ 7 ఛానల్కు స్వాగతం. ఈనాటి వార్తలు.
Sweat team conducted their maneuvers in Darsi town of Prakasham district. We all know that a sweat team is a group of police personnel specially trained to deal with the extremely dangerous of violent situations. Keeping in mind the upcoming elections, this morning at 10:30 hours, the sweat team of Prakasham district performed their maneuvers at the clock center in Darsi town of Prakasham district. Police organized this demonstration to instill courage in the people of Darsi constituency that people will exercise their right to vote fearlessly. Darsi Sub-Divisional Officer, Darsi Circle Inspector and all Sub-Inspectors of Darsi Assembly constituency attended this demonstration.
మరిన్ని వార్తా విశేషాల కొరకు మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.